Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car rear view camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car rear view camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is DLife 4K Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, DLife. Aperture, 1.8. Weight, 50 grams. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Chipset manufacturer, SunPlus. Item number 4 is Red Tiger F7 NP 4K dash camera. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Vehice. As the item number 3 we've selected, HGDO D566. Specifications. Brand name, HGDO. Battery capacity, 500 mAh. Maximum video frame rate, 30 f/s. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Special features, G sensor. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Vehice. The item number 2 is TowGuard 10-inch dual-lens wireless CarPlay screen. Specifications. Brand name, TowGuard. Chipset, V535. Processor speed, 1.0 GHz. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 1.22 kilograms. Resolution, 1600 by 600. Display size, 10.2 inches. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 4G GPS dash cam. Specifications. Brand name, JIMIMAX. Battery capacity, 450 mAh. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, AR0230. Pixels, 130 megapixels. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Weight, 0.89 kilograms.